than an hour, and we're doing at the disaster movie.
Disaster movie? Cool. I got the lead role.
Zach, put those down before you drop them on someone's head. We need you in possession. Wait, which position again? Well, I starting at the front or in the back?
Adam, you're in the center. The center. How do you keep forgetting this?
Do we want a drummer for dramatic effect? I'm feeling dramatic. Are we sure we practiced enough? What if I forget the steps? What if we all forget the steps?
Burhan, relax. The lights are already on the left nerve and so am I.
Team, listen up. If we don't get this together, this is going to be remembered as the holiday disaster of the year and not the holiday production. Is that what we want?
I am so ready. Just look at my spin. Woohoo!
See what I'm doing here, right? If we don't start working together, this is going to be remembered for all the wrong reasons. Parents will laugh for years, and not in a good way. I got a point.